Yo, today's show is sponsored by ExpressVPN. Your online activity should not be public, so protect yourself at expressvpn.com/achievement.
Last year, I had friends over. I did a Friendsgiving and cooked. And I'm not going to pat myself on the back, but I killed the turkey game. I know how to bake up a turkey.
Shit.
And I'm going to tell you my secret. I follow a recipe I found in Food Network magazine like 5 years ago.
Okay.
Where,
so there's also like hundreds of thousands of people also killing the game as well. I thought it was going to be some like chill.
Let me tell you my secret.
Or something like that.
I found a secret recipe in the local shop. It was Food Network magazine.
Little mom pop shop called Food Network.
Well, it's technically still a little bit of my own flavor, because it was like build your own turkey. And so they had like a path where it's like, okay, you can brine it these 3 ways. And then for the next step, you can use these 3 types of butters. And for the next step, you can baste it this. So I use like a special herb butter that I make. And by special, I mean, it definitely is the one listed in the magazine. And you like rub it like under the skin of the turkey. And then on top of the skin, get some stuffing. I like some stuffing with some apples in it. I stuff that bird, put it in, and just wait patiently. The thing that sucks about turkey is it does take forever. And if you fuck it up, you wasted your whole day.
Oh, yeah. And you not only wasted the whole day, but you're like, shit, what are we eating?
Yeah.
You have like a backup ham.
Yeah.
Because that's it. Then it's like, who wants sides?
I'm gonna have to forego, because I'm back on the keto train. Like we said, we're getting back to slim thick, which means I'm missing out on the sweet with the sweet yams, with the baked mac and cheese. Your boy gonna have the collard greens.
I feel you.
And the greens.
I just had a single quarter pounder yesterday. This guy,
look, it starts somewhere.
See, here's the thing.
I'm getting back into it. No pickles, no onions.